First, what is E-MapReduce? In general, to use distributed processing systems, such as Hadoop and Spark, the following actions are recommended. Steps 8 to 10 relate to the application logic of users. Steps 1 to 7 are early preparations and tend to be difficult and cumbersome. As you may already know, if you use a cloud server such as ECS, you don't need to perform steps 1 to 5 again. Yes, that's the advantages ECS has over traditional servers in building Hadoop clusters. But Alibaba is also considering providing you with customized instance services on the basis of providing cloud servers. E-MapReduce is a customized ECS image for your big data business. It can keep you from going through steps 6 to 7. After purchase, you can no longer go through any software installation, because they are running well and waiting for you to use them. This is more user-friendly. I believe you have a preliminary understanding of E-MapReduce. Next, take a look at the official introduction. Alibaba Cloud Elastic MapReduce, EMR, is a big data processing solution that runs on the Alibaba Cloud platform. EMR is built on Alibaba Cloud ECS instances and is based on open-source Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark. EMR allows you to use the Hadoop and Spark ecosystem components such as Apache Hive, Apache Kafka, Flink, Druid, and TensorFlow to analyze and process data. You can use EMR to process data stored on different Alibaba Cloud data storage service, such as Object Storage Service, OSS, Log Service, SLS, and Relational Database Service, RDS. E-MapReduce provides an integrated solution of cluster management tools, such as host selection, environment deployment, cluster building, cluster configuration, cluster running, job configuration, job running, cluster management, and performance monitoring. With E-MapReduce, processes such as procurement, preparation, operation, and maintenance are managed, allowing you to focus on the processing logics of your applications. E-MapReduce also provides flexible combination modes, allowing you to select different cluster services according to your needs. For example, if you want to implement daily statistics and simple batch operations, you can choose to run only Hadoop services in E-MapReduce. If you still want to implement stream-oriented and real-time computing, you can add Spark on the basis of the Hadoop service. The core component directly oriented to an E-MapReduce user is the cluster. An E-MapReduce cluster is a Spark and a Hadoop cluster consisting of multiple ECS Alibaba Cloud instances. For example, in Hadoop, generally some daemon processes running on each ECS instance make up a Hadoop cluster. The nodes running name node and the resource manager are known as master nodes, while those running data node and the node manager are called slave nodes. For example, the following figure shows an E-MapReduce cluster consisting of one master node and 3 slave nodes. Among them, the master node has 2 IP addresses as access entrance, while the slave node has only private IP address. E-MapReduce has some practical strength over self-built clusters. For example, it provides some convenient and controllable means to manage its clusters. In addition, it also has the following strengths. Easy to use. You can quickly create clusters without the need to configure hardware and software. All maintenance operations are completed on its web interface. Cost effectiveness. You can create clusters and dynamically scale in and out the number of compute nodes based on current computing needs. Stability. EMR provides a deeply optimized cluster environment, automated background maintenance, and multiple online support channels. Security. EMR supports Kerberos authentication and data encryption. You can use RAM users to refine the management of service permissions.